Imagine a city that never sleeps, where every street, every building is alive with activity. Now, picture a silent crisis. Trash piles up, machinery breaks down, and chaos threatens to take over. This isn't a distant dystopia. It's happening right now, inside every cell of your body. But there's a hero in this story, a hidden cleanup crew, working tirelessly to keep your cells healthy, youthful, and alive. It's called autophagy, and it might just be the key to fighting disease, slowing aging, and unlocking a healthier you. What is this mysterious process, and why should you care? Let's dive into the microscopic world of autophagy and uncover its secrets. Autophagy, from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagy, meaning eating, is your body's natural recycling system. Inside each of your 60 trillion cells, autophagy acts like a diligent cleanup crew. It identifies damaged or unnecessary components. Think old mitochondria, misfolded proteins, or cellular debris, and packages them into a structure called an autophagosome. This sac fuses with a lysosome, a cellular incinerator, packed with enzymes that break down the waste into reusable building blocks like amino acids and glucose. These raw materials recharge your cells, promoting vitality and resilience. First observed in the 1960s, autophagy's full significance came to light in 2016 when Japanese scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize for uncovering its mechanisms. His work revealed how autophagy maintains cellular balance or homeostasis by clearing out the junk that could otherwise harm your cells. Autophagy isn't just a human phenomenon. It's an ancient process conserved across billions of years of evolution, from yeast to humans. This universal mechanism underscores its critical role in survival, adapting cells to stress and scarcity across all living organisms. Why is autophagy so important? Think of your cells as tiny factories. Without regular maintenance, waste builds up, machinery fails, and the factory shuts down. Autophagy prevents this collapse. When it works properly, it protects against a range of diseases. For example, research shows that faulty autophagy is linked to neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, where toxic proteins accumulate in brain cells. A 2023 study in Nature found that boosting autophagy in mice reduced Alzheimer's-related protein buildup, improving memory function. Autophagy also has a dual role in cancer. Early on, it acts as a tumor suppressor by removing damaged components that could lead to uncontrolled cell growth. A 2024 study in Cell demonstrated that autophagy-inducing drugs slowed tumor growth in early-stage pancreatic cancer in animal models. In advanced cancers, however, autophagy can sometimes help cancer cells survive, highlighting its dual nature. Beyond disease, autophagy is a key player in slowing aging. By recycling old cellular parts, it keeps cells youthful and functional. As we age, autophagy naturally declines, leading to wrinkles, muscle loss, and fatigue. This decline also affects the brain, but new research reveals autophagy's role in mental health. By clearing cellular debris damaged by stress, autophagy may reduce inflammation tied to anxiety and depression, helping you feel calmer and more balanced. Think of autophagy as a cellular stress reliever, clearing the clutter that clouds your mind. The good news? Activating autophagy can combat aging and boost mental wellness, keeping you healthier for longer. Recent research is unlocking autophagy's potential like never before. In 2024, a team at Stanford University identified a new autophagy-regulating protein, ATG16L1, that enhances the process in immune cells, potentially boosting resistance to infections. Autophagy also acts as an immune system guardian, engulfing and destroying invading pathogens, like viruses and bacteria. A 2024 study in Immunity revealed that autophagy helps immune cells target and eliminate harmful microbes, offering new hope for fighting infections. Another study in Science Advances showed that autophagy helps recycle iron in brain cells, and its dysfunction may contribute to neurological disorders like Huntington's disease. Scientists are now exploring autophagy-based therapies. For instance, drugs that mimic starvation's effects on autophagy are being tested for cancer and Alzheimer's. A 2025 clinical trial at Johns Hopkins is investigating rapamycin, a drug that enhances autophagy for its potential to improve cognitive function in early Alzheimer's patients. These discoveries prove autophagy is more than a cellular process. It's a gateway to medical breakthroughs. So, how can you tap into autophagy's power? The good news is you don't need a lab. Simple lifestyle changes can activate this cellular cleanup crew. First, consider intermittent fasting. Research shows that fasting for 16 to 24 hours triggers autophagy by signaling cells to recycle resources. A 2023 study found that 16-8 intermittent fasting, 16 hours of fasting, with an 8-hour eating window, boosted autophagy markers in humans, supporting weight loss and metabolic health. Exercise is another powerful trigger. Aerobic activities like running or cycling increase autophagy, especially in muscle cells. A 2024 study in the Journal of Physiology showed that 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily enhanced autophagy in human muscle tissue. Additionally, a diet rich in polyphenol, like those in berries, green tea, and dark chocolate, can boost autophagy. Avoid overeating, as excess calories suppress this process. Start small. Try a 12-hour overnight fast, incorporate regular exercise, and eat nutrient-dense foods. Always consult a doctor before making big changes, especially if you have health conditions. By supporting autophagy, you're investing in your body's ability to stay strong, healthy, and resilient. Autophagy is more than a scientific marvel. It's your body's secret weapon for health and longevity. From fighting disease to slowing aging, this cellular cleanup crew is working for you every day. By making small, intentional choices, you can unlock its full potential. So, take the first step today. Your cells are counting on you. This has been Dear My Life.